If you're seeing a Pixlr error message, a black screen, or Pixlr just won't load properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is the same troubleshooting process I use when a browser-based editor starts acting up, and the good news is that most Pixlr issues are usually caused by browser data, extensions, hardware settings, or even the file you're trying to upload. So whether Pixlr is freezing, refusing to open, or giving you a weird error, stay with me and we'll fix it together. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing we want to do is isolate the issue. The easiest way to do that is by opening your browser in Incognito Mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. If you're on another browser or device, the shortcut may vary, but the goal is the same. Open a clean session with no saved cookies, no cached data, and fewer extension conflicts. Once the private window opens, go to Pixlr and try loading the site again. Now pay close attention here. If Pixlr works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that the problem is not Pixlr itself. Instead, the issue is most likely coming from your browser data, your cookies, your cache, or one of your installed extensions. That's great news because those are all fixable. If Pixlr still doesn't work in incognito, then we know we need to look deeper into your browser setup, your system settings, or your file format. If the site works in incognito, the next step is to clear your browsing data. Start by opening your browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data. When the menu opens, set the time range to all time. This is important because partial clearing may leave behind the file that is causing the conflict. Next, make sure you select cookies and cached images and files. Cached files can build up over time and sometimes break web apps like Pixlr, so clearing them gives the browser a fresh start. Once those options are selected, click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, close the browser completely and open Pixlr again in a fresh tab. In many cases, that alone solves the problem. If not, the next thing we need to check is interference from browser extensions. Ad blockers and VPN extensions are especially common causes of Pixlr error messages because they can block scripts, image loads, or login features that the editor needs to work correctly. So go into your browser's extension menu and temporarily disable any ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or VPN extensions. You don't have to uninstall them yet, just turn them off for a moment so you can test Pixlr without interference. Then reload the site and see if it behaves normally. If it suddenly works, you found the cause. You can then re-enable your extensions one by one until you find the one creating the conflict. If disabling extensions doesn't fix it, the next step is to flush your DNS cache. This sounds technical, but it's actually very easy. On Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. This clears old network lookup data and can fix loading problems that happen when the browser is trying to reach a site with stale connection information. After that, restart your browser and try Pixlr again. Now, let's move on to system performance and browser compatibility. Pixlr is a web-based editor, so it depends on your browser supporting certain graphics features. One of the most important ones is WebGL. If WebGL is disabled or not supported properly, you may see a black screen, lag, or elements not rendering at all. To check this, visit get.webgl.org and see whether your browser passes the test. If it doesn't, Pixlr may struggle to run correctly until that support issue is resolved. Another setting that can help is hardware acceleration. Open your browser settings and search for acceleration. You'll usually see a setting called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If it is turned on, try turning it off. If it is already off, you can test turning it on instead. Different systems respond differently, and this one toggle can fix black screens, freezing, and rendering glitches in Pixlr. After changing the setting, restart your browser so the change fully applies. Now, if your problem happens specifically when uploading or saving files, then the issue may not be the browser at all. It may be the image file itself. Start by checking the file name. Remove any special characters, symbols, or unusual punctuation from the name. Keep it simple, like Photo1 or Project Image. Sometimes a file name alone can trigger upload errors. Next, check the file size and dimensions. If the image is extremely large, Pixlr may have trouble handling it. As a general rule, if the image is wider than 4,000 pixels and the app starts crashing or freezing, try resizing it first before uploading. That can make a huge difference. You should also check the file format. Some formats like HEIS or WebP can cause problems depending on the browser or device. If possible, convert the file to JPG or PNG before uploading it into Pixlr. Those formats are much more widely supported and usually behave better in browser editors. So to quickly recap, if Pixlr shows an error message, first test it in Incognito Mode. If it works there, clear your browsing data, disable extensions, and flush DNS. Then check WebGL and hardware acceleration. And if the issue happens with a specific image, rename the file, reduce the size if needed, and convert the format to JPG or PNG. That's the full Pixlr error message fix guide. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.